Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Neelam's Good Times. In this competitive world, everything is moving so fast and sometimes we tend to get so confused that what are we doing, where are we heading for in life. So I just thought about it, why not sum it up and bring across to you 5 lessons of life which you can take as 5 tips which you need to fix right now to get your life straight. So without a further ado, let's get started. My first tip is get to know your direction career-wise. There are so many things, there are so many courses available, a lot of things that are happening around us. It is very important, rather than burning our hands in everything and anything, important that we first fix a direction for ourselves. And this can only happen if you analyze yourself. You need to analyze and understand कि आप किसमें अच्छे हैं. Whether you are good at talking, whether you're good at managing people, whether you're good at making content, or whether you're good at cooking or you're good at designing, and the list is endless. First and foremost is try to analyze yourself where you can see which field you are best at, and accordingly you fix that profession for yourself. This will give you a clear-cut idea and help you to identify your career path. Once you have fixed your career path, the next step is find out ways and means how to approach towards your career path. And by this I mean that you have to upskill yourself. And how could you do that? You can be upskilling yourself, enrolled in various courses that are coming up online at a very minimal rate. You could watch some nice YouTube contents, you could hunt the Google, you could do a good Google search. There are absolutely plethora of materials that are available these days. The other day, I'll just give you an example. I had a photographer coming into my house, to do some photo shoots for me, for my Instagram. So, I was just asking him, by the way, and he's a good photographer. So I was just asking him, by the way, that from where have you done your course? You know what? His answer was he learnt it from the YouTube. He says, ma'am, मैं YouTube में देख के इस तरह से सीखा हूँ, and this is how I'm getting good job. Courses देखिए, आप अच्छी तरह से अपने आप को enroll कीजिए. You learn all those materials which are lying there, and also start mixing with the people who are in that career path. Let's say if you want to be a fashion designer, try to make friends with people, try to get in touch with people who are already in this line. Watch their nice interviews that come up, on the YouTube or any of the channels. So आप अगर उन लोगों से interact करेंगे, बात करेंगे, you will get to know their experiences. You will learn a lot from their experiences. In short, you have to devise your ways and means on how to do the preparation process towards your career path. My next tip is learn how to manage your time well. This reminds me, I have already made a video in this. There are a couple of videos that I have made on YouTube related to these career opportunities, which I shall be sharing my link. So please have a look at them if you have missed out. These are very value-added contents which can definitely help you in your career path or in your life. So coming to the point, manage your time well. I personally believe in multitasking. I don't believe कि आप एक ही काम को लेके सारा दिन पड़े रहें. Especially in today's world where we have to do our social media work, where we have to do our professional work, where we have to do our socialization, where we have to run the chores. There are a lot of things in a day we want to do. We have to watch articles, we have to watch content, so many things. So I personally believe in multitasking, and this is where your time management comes into process. अगर आप अपनी टाइम को अच्छी तरह से मैनेज कर पाएंगे, that you have to figure out how you manage your time. So if you can manage your time well, at the end of the day, you will definitely have a couple of things in your kit. Try to analyze where you're wasting away your time and how you're utilizing your day. Because eventually, at the end of the day, it is you who have to tick mark the to-dos in your list. My 4th tip is shed your ego. If you are an egoist person, leave that ego aside in your house, somewhere in the corner, and move ahead and learn how to work with people. In today's world, it is not possible, practically not possible to accomplish anything single-handed. Yes, we are definitely, each one of us is a one-man army, but at the same time, to get certain executions done, you need to have a good networking. You need to have good people around you. You need to be working with people. Even if it comes to learning from people, you need to know how to go and approach and say somebody कि मुझे ये नहीं आता है, आप मुझे सिखाइए, इसके बारे में थोड़ी guidance दीजिए. And this is where you need to shed your ego and go all out, and don't feel hesitant to learn about something or to ask about job or to ask about any work from something. So if you keep your ego with you, that will be the biggest hindrance or the impediment in your life. So shed off your ego, and learn how to work with people. Last tip is learn how to prioritize your work. It is very important that we should know how to prioritize. As I said, I personally encourage in multitasking, and I do a lot of multitasking in a day, but at the same time, I try to prioritize. Something which can be done at the end of the day or something which can wait, I don't tend to finish it first. So you learn to prioritize your work accordingly. So that way you end up saving a lot of time, and eventually the goal should be that at least 3 tasks in a day you should be able to accomplish. So when you're going to sleep, you can talk to yourself. By talking to yourself, you can always end up saying, these are the 3 to-dos which today I have accomplished. And eventually this is how you are going to upskill yourself in terms of not only learning something, but also in terms of executing your job. There are also, times when you tend to procrastinate. Get out of this procrastination. When you're prioritizing your things, ensure that you have that. If you have a problem of procrastinating thing, you strike that off your list, because procrastinating will only lead to delays and delays and delays, and eventually you will be the one whose job will be stalled. So if you have to keep yourself abreast in today's world and be at par with the achievers, then you need to upskill yourself and get into that speed and start learning and executing things fast for yourself. And my last bonus tip is, do not give your time to everybody. That if you are whiling away your time, there are times when we speak to our friends or to some people over the phone for hours, and eventually what happens, or we are continuously watching someone else's program, or we are doing something which does not directly helps us in improving our life, and at the end of the day we see that we while our time, हमने तो काम complete ही नहीं कर पाए, because we while our time by giving a lot of unnecessary time to the people who don't deserve our time and energy. So be very choosy about that. Think twice before investing your time. So guys, this is a wrap up. I hope you like this video, and if you fix up these things, this will definitely help you straighten a lot of things in your life. I'll be seeing you soon with my new content. Till then, stay tuned for Neelam's Good Times. I love you all. Adios.